Happy New Year. 2018 was indeed a wonderful year, but in 2019, these things must stop. This nonsense must stop. All these things must stop.
What is it?
First to comment.
Oh my God.
Hello, I beg, send me your status. Blocked. Flashing on WhatsApp. Has it come to this?
I don't know.
Video calling me without my consent. Blocked. For breast enlargement, for penis enlargement, stop that nonsense. I'm okay with what I have.
I posted them all.
Gather here for a selfie.
What?
Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
You comment nonsense, you're not saying, don't at me, I'm not feeling fine. You are really not feeling fine.
Oh man,
Someone should please bless me with 500 naira. I've not eaten since 5 years ago. You are blessed already. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
HBD, HML, Happy Womb Escape. I'm killed. Oh my God, stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Using emoji to cover your armpits.
Bruh.
Stop that nonsense.
Gbagaun.
Congratulations to those who won our fixed matches yesterday. Who won?
I don't know.
Vote party for president. Block.
No.
DM for sugar daddy or for sugar mommy. Block. To flip your cash, send a DM. If I catch you,
Don't angry me.
always borrowing Biro inside the bank.
Hey.
Change your ways. You have been selected. SMS lucky to 300. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
All men are scum. All men are dogs.
What?
Sister, if you can't tell us the breed of your daddy, stop that nonsense.
No.
Asking for my Wi-Fi password. What is your aim?
I don't know.
See as you fresh like today bread. Shingbang, you won't see. This your friend is fine, oh. No, she's not single.
What?
Is it your single?
I don't know.
Bleaching is different from whitening.
Yeah?
Are you alright?
Things say they're wise.
I wish I met you before I met my wife. Bros, stop that scam.
Continue.
100 Mother's Day in 1 year. Stop that nonsense.
Help also.
Ashwebi color is cockroach brown with ugu green with a sprinkle of carrot orange. Stop that nonsense.
Go and sit down.
God bless the man behind my smiles. If you know, you know. Sister, we don't know anything. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
To last 5 minutes, to last 5 hours, to last 6 days in bed, come and buy. Has it come to this?
I don't know.
Blog. So tell me about yourself.
Bruh.
Do I know about myself?
This one is one of us.
Touring and touring around, running mad when they want to propose to you. Is this what we are doing now?
This thing we end today.
Fine profile picture, but private account.
Child.
Why now?
I don't know.
+1 today. Thank you, Jesus. How old are you? Plus what? How old are you?
Why, man?
Don't give up on your dreams. With just 1 naira, I made 50 million naira. Motivational speaker. Stop that nonsense.
I posted them all.
And to all those brothers that always call every girl they meet baby.
I know, man.
You need deliverance.
Can you fuck off?
Oh, and by the way,
2019. We go back. Yes, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's God.